Why did your search stop at Networkers Home?
One thing which caught my interest in Networkers Home is student reviews. I was promised from Networkers Home. It was all delivered and it was all fulfilled actually. I'm satisfied with the service they offer.
How was your journey?
I'm from Chhattisgarh. I hold a bachelor degree in computer application. That was one of the mistakes which I did.
How did you overcome those challenges?
I was not able to present myself in front of the interviewer. You should make one small group and discuss those topics. Can't build a building with a weaker foundation. Whoever is starting with his or her CCNA training, you can definitely trust Networkers Home with that. I'm very thankful to Team Networkers Home which helped me to build my career.
Success stories never get sold at Networkers Home because we keep producing success. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Voices of Victory. And today we are joined by Vedant, who has recently got placed in the Ruckus Networks. So let's hear his story from his end only. So first of all, congratulations to you, Vedant, and thank you for joining us today. People are so excited to see your success story and listen it from you only. Tell the people about yourself and how is your graduation?
So my name is Vedant Singh and I'm from Chhattisgarh. I hold a bachelor degree in computer application from GD Rungta College of Engineering and Technology, Bhilai. Back then when I was in my college, I was searching for different career option in IT industry. So I came to know about there is a career option which is network and security. One of my elder brother is also in the same domain. He suggested me that you should go for a CCNA first, and if you like that course, then you can go for further higher certifications.
Yes.
So I took a course from Udemy at that time, and I gone through the CCNA course. And after that, I learned about cybersecurity training as well. I gone through cybersecurity training as well. But soon I realized that just the CCNA is not enough to land a job in today's market.
Correct.
After my graduation, I started searching for different institutes which provide network certification trainings and as well as placement options. I got to know about Networkers Home from one of my friends, and then I inquired about what all courses they provide, and then I enrolled for CCI security program here.
That's great. But again, going through so many different institutes, why Networkers Home only? Why did your search stop at Networkers Home?
When I was searching for different institutes, I came across numbers of institutes which are providing the network certification training in India. But one thing which caught my interest in Networkers Home is the course which they provide, like different courses which they provide, the curriculum which they follow, and also the student reviews. The main thing which I focused on was on student reviews. So I gone through different Google reviews and also different forums. I saw different multiple testimony videos of alumni who have of Networkers Home. That's where it convinced me to go to Networkers Home. When I came to Networkers Home, so here Amit sir guided me through various courses they offer, and what all the topics which will be covered under those courses. So I saw that CCI security was a course which was offering, which is basically for networking as well as it's a mixture of cybersecurity plus networking. So my keen interest was also in networking and cybersecurity as well. So this gave me a mixture of both the technologies together. So that's why I opted for the CCA security training.
That's really great. So what you mentioned is, you went through different forums, you went through Google reviews and all. So did you find, what did you find coming here? After you have, gone through all the trainings and all, what do their reviews say? Is that really delivered?
What all the reviews I have seen in the Google and all the other platform, and what I was promised from Networkers Home, it was all delivered and it was all fulfilled actually. And I'm satisfied with the service they offer.
That's really great. And we are glad and happy to have you here today, and saying this means a lot. How was your journey?
I started with CCNA, which was with you.
Okay.
And then I went for CCNP routing and switching module. It was with Avinash sir actually. And after that I went for CCI security modules like VPN, which was again with you. And after that ESA and WSA, which was with Sushil sir. And after completing all my like CCNA, CCNP and security, I start giving mock interviews. Like that was one of the mistake which I did, that I started giving mock interview after the security program, like after completing the CCI security. But student who have just started now, who has done with their CCNA, they should start giving mock interview as soon as they like complete CCNA, as soon as possible. So this mock interview will help them to identify what weak points they have and what they should improve.
Correct.
So these were all the things, and after that I attended technical sessions which was taken by you, and which helped me a lot actually, because see, after completing CCNA and CCNP and going to CCI security, I forgot what was covered in CCNA. If we'll not revise what is covered previously, then we'll definitely forget it.
Correct.
I joined your technical session classes, and there it was like a revision for me. So I revised all the topics which I covered in CCNA, CCNP. That also helped me a lot. And after that, I went for communication training as well, communication classes as well. So that also helped me very much. Yeah.
That's really nice. So coming here, going through all these courses, did you face any challenges? And if you faced, how did you overcome those challenges?
Initially, I had some knowledge about what networking is, because back in my college days, I did CCNA course. So
Udemy, you have gone through it.
yeah, I had some idea like what networking is and what devices we use in networking, like routers, switches and all. So it was not that difficult for me to cope up with the higher certification like CCNP and all. But still, whenever I had any doubt, I reached out to different instructors. So they helped me, even if it is in like 12 in the night. If I text them, they solve my queries at that time only. So yeah, that's how I studied and practiced the mock interview as well. So that was my
That's
journey.
really nice.
It was home.
So how was your experience with the trainers?
When I started CCNA, it was with you. So whenever I had a doubt, I used to reach out to you and ask about like what's happening, how this is happening, and like to clear different topics, right? So after that, in CCNP module, it was with Avinash sir, and Avinash sir was also clearing my doubt whenever I had. And in security also during the VPN, and because VPN is a bit complex topic as for the beginners.
Yeah.
Earlier, I used to, like initially when I started VPN, it was difficult for me to catch up with what's going on in the module. So I always used to reach out to teachers, and they always helped me with that. And also my teachers, they always told me that you should make one small group and discuss those topics with your friends, so that will make things more clearer to you, easy to you. And because different person can have this different perspective related to that topic. Yeah, so that helped me a lot.
That's really great. Now, other than say your curriculum, how did you prepare for the interviews? How helpful your interview preparation and the communication classes were to you?
After completing my CCI security, I started giving mock interviews. So first 2 mock interviews was not that much good as per me, because I was not able to present myself in front of the interviewer, because as a fresher, people don't have experience on giving interviews, real interviews. So these mock interviews helped me a lot, and also the technical sessions and the communication classes as well.
That's nice. Now, how was the environment for you when you came here?
When I joined Networkers Home, and when I started with the CCNA, I met different people here, which are from different background, different states. So, but everyone has one thing, that they have to achieve something here. They came here because they have to achieve something. That environment kept me motivated every time actually. And also in Networkers Home, we have a large lab infrastructure where we can practice our labs, like CCNP lab or security labs as well. So I used to finish my classes, and then I used to sit on the lab for at least 2 to 3 hours and try different practicals which I have learned through my classes. And after that, I used to discuss it with my friends as well.
So there are so many people watching your story right now, right? So any last words for them? Any suggestions for the people who are watching your video?
So whoever is starting with his or her CCNA training, they should not ignore the CCNA part. I mean, they should clear their foundation first, the base first, then they should go for CCNP routing or switching, because you can't build a building with a weaker foundation. So you have to clear all your basics, you have to clear CCNA, and then you have to go for CCNP routing, switching, or the security. And whoever is thinking to transition their career into networking, then you can definitely trust Networkers Home with that.
That's really nice. That's kind of a piece of advice you gave here, that you cannot have a large building on a weaker foundation. You need a strong foundation to build a building. Same like that, if you want a fruitful career, you should go with strong foundation. So clear your basics first. That's really nice talking to you. I hope people will get motivated with this. So any last words for the team Networkers Home and your trainers?
So I'm really thankful to Amit sir. He was the first person I met, and he made my enrollment process smoother. And after that, I met different instructors during different training modules, like Ajay sir, Sushil sir, Nikun sir, Avinash sir as well. So they helped me a lot during my training. And after that, I met Clara ma'am, which helped me in communication classes, and Ansu ma'am also, which helped me with placement assistance as well. So I'm very thankful to Team Networkers Home, which helped me to build my career.
That's really nice, and it was really nice talking to you, and thank you for joining us, and I wish you all the best for your career. This was a really great success story we had here, and I hope all of you get motivated with this story. And the next time when I want to make an episode, I want you guys to be there in front of me. That's all for this episode. I'll see you guys in another episode. Keep watching Networkers Home, and I'll see you guys.